Our family doesn't really do a whole lot of things when it comes to sweet treats. We've never really been into sweet birthday cakes and other kind of things, but one thing that did stick with us is the Pizzelle. And this Pizzelle maker is actually pretty incredible because you can do it, you can use it for quite a number of things. Now, in the examples I'm showing right now, it's just a traditional Italian cookie, but sometimes my wife also likes to shape special ones out for the boy. He enjoys having fruit cups or kind of like parfaits inside of a waffle cone. And what's cool is when you put a very thin layer in there, you put them over something like a bowl, then they can, while they're still hot, go into that form. In terms of making them, it's a little bit of a skill set. I don't personally make them, but my wife does, and she learned from her grandmother. It's for the recipe. I think that it always comes down to family secrets. So if you have an Italian grandparent that's willing to tell you that, then you can discover that for yourself. So if you want to try to take a stab at making your own little cookies, Italian treats, and you don't mind going through that learning process, then you might want to consider this. This one has lasted us for quite a long time. It's been in the family for a bit. So I know that I can vouch that they're very durable and straightforward.